So as we continue on in the personality chapter, we're going to be focusing right now on the psychoanalytic. We're still there. And according to the psychoanalytic perspective, our personality actually has three parts. And I think you'll recognize some of these in yourself as I do in mine. All right, so I use the scales because the two things that are on the little bowls there are polar opposites. They counteract one another. So the first item we're going to talk about is the id, and the id is basically that very selfish. It's aiming high. It wants the best of the best, even if it's going to cost a great price. So it doesn't care about consequences. So I want you to think about that spoiled 3-year-old. That's our id. We want it now, and we don't care what the consequences are. Now, the reason I put it on the scales is because then the superego is the exact opposite of the id. Where the id is frivolous and it wants all the biggest and the best, the superego is the rational, law-abiding. It's going to be very harsh and judgmental. In fact, our guilty conscience lies here. So I like to exemplify this as, let's plan a beach vacation. Now, what is your id going to do? Your id is going to tell you that you need the biggest and the best. In other words, we want a beach vacation, and so we're going to go ahead and go to Fiji. We want to have the beautiful waterfalls and the gorgeous tropics. We want all of that, and we're going to fly over there first class, sipping champagne the entire way. We're going to stay at a 5-star hotel, and we're going to eat filet mignon and lobster every day, 3 times a day. And so the id is going to basically break the bank, okay? So it's that aiming high, it's spoiled. The superego is going to look at that beach vacation and go, that is irresponsible. I can't believe that you would just throw our hard-earned money away when Galveston has a perfectly good beach. Yeah, I know what you're all thinking. And so your superego is going to say, you know what? We can drive there. We can pack sandwiches to eat so we can save money. We can stay at a Motel 6 or, heck, on the beach in the car when we're there. We're going to save so much money. All right, so when we look at this example, the id is going to be fun, but we're going to be in debt up to our eyes. Superego, it doesn't sound fun. I mean, face it, it just does not sound fun. So enter the third part of our personality, and that's the ego. The ego is going to be that balancer. It's going to be that mediator. So it listens to the id and it listens to the superego, and he tries to compromise, And so what the ego is going to do is listen to both sides and say, and think it all over and go, you know what? Beautiful beaches in Mexico. Beautiful hotels that are all inclusive. We can get there on a less expensive flight, stay at a beautiful hotel, go to beautiful beaches, and it really does save us a fortune. So both get kind of what they want. So again, personality, 3 parts: id, spoiled child, the devil; superego, the angel. I have to be perfect, very harsh, judgmental. The ego, the purpose is to balance it.